Assalamualaikum girls, we're back with another bridal shoot here with the lovely Juana. How pretty is she? All the way from Manchester. We've got lovely Shaheen Bridals who's going to be going in with the makeup look, and we've got Jules by Iman who's collaborating with the jewellery, and with the outfit it's from Bridal Boutique on Leeds Road. So yeah, stay tuned for the look. So what kind of look are we going for today, Shaheen?
I will be doing goldy, bronzy kind of look today because I think this well, I don't think I've done this outfit colour before. It's beautiful, so I'm just gonna go with the flow.
Go with the flow, yeah. What kind of cheeks?
It's got lovely cheekbones.
She has got very defined cheekbones.
So just snatch her up a bit.
Yeah, and the
extra snatch, and we'll go for nude lips.
Nude lips, right. Stay tuned for the look. We might change it up a bit, but yeah, stay tuned, girls. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. We've got the outfit from Bridal Boutique, the jewellery from Jules by Iman, the hijab is from Hijabs by Kay, the MUA is from Shaheen Bridals, and we've got the lovely content from Filmed by Fatima. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and like, share, comment, post.